What is the N+1 query problem in ORMs? Imagine you ask a database for a list of users. Then, for each user, you ask for their posts separately. This pattern can cause a lot of unnecessary database calls. That's what the N+1 query problem is. In applications using object relational mapping frameworks, this issue happens when the first query gets a list of records, like users. Then, for each record, the system runs another query to get related data, such as posts or comments. So if you have 10 users, you run one query to get the users and then 10 more to get each user's posts. That totals 11 queries, which is N+1. This problem often occurs because ORMs use lazy loading by default. Lazy loading means related data is only fetched when you access it. While this makes coding easier, it can lead to many small queries instead of one big, efficient query. This slows down your app because each query takes time and resources. The main issues caused by this are increased database load, slower response times, and higher latency. For example, if you are building a web page that shows users and their posts, the page might load slowly because of all the extra queries happening behind the scenes. To fix this, developers can use eager loading. This means telling the ORM to fetch related data in the initial query, often through joins or includes. This way, all the needed data comes back in one go, cutting down on the number of database calls. Another way is batching queries, which groups multiple related queries into fewer requests. Some ORMs have settings to control how many queries are batched together. Writing custom queries can also help by fetching all related data at once, instead of multiple small requests. Detecting the N+1 query problem is important for keeping your app fast. Developers can use tools or logs that show repeated queries happening in loops. This helps identify where the problem is and fix it. In simple terms, the N+1 query problem is a common mistake in backend development with ORMs. It causes too many database calls, slowing everything down. Using eager loading or batching can make your app run smoother and handle more users efficiently.